Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best scratch repair is probably one of the most frustrating issues to encounter with your beloved TV, significantly impacting your viewing pleasure. Whether it's a minor scuff or a deeper gouge, a scratched screen can be an eyesore and a constant reminder of accidental damage. But don't despair. In this video, we'll explore various methods and products designed to tackle TV screen scratches, helping you determine which approach is best suited for your specific situation and the severity of the damage. We will also provide tips on preventing future scratches and maintaining the pristine condition of your TV screen. Number 5. by.RHO Window Screen Repair Tape. It's so easy to use, just cut, peel, and stick it on. You'll have your screens fixed in minutes, no tools needed. This tape is made with non-toxic materials, keeping your family safe and your home healthy. It's a worry-free way to repair your screens. The strong 3-layer adhesive ensures a long-lasting repair that can withstand daily use, even in tough conditions. It firmly adheres to various surfaces. It's perfect for windows, doors, tents, anywhere you need to repair a screen. Use it indoors or outdoors, it adapts to many surfaces and conditions. It's built to last, even in extreme weather. This tape will keep your screens intact through heat, cold, and rain. Made in Korea for superior quality. Remember, this tape isn't invisible or ventilated. For best results, clean the surface before applying, and if it doesn't stick well, peel and reapply. What we like. It's incredibly easy to apply, just peel and stick. Its strong adhesive ensures long-lasting repairs, even outdoors. If you need a quick and versatile solution for various mesh surfaces, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. More cost-effective than replacing screen. Patches small holes in an instant. The adhesive is super sticky and you don't need to use the hair dryer with this tape. We've had a bunch of rainy days recently and I keep checking the windows to see how the tape is doing with the moisture. Happy to report no curling corners or bubbles. Sticks well, works well as a patch for holes or protective patches for parts that you just know will wear. Great to have in the cupboard when the skeeters start trying to get in. Number 4. NOVUS PK1-8 Plastic Care Kit. This kit is your complete solution for cleaning and polishing all your plastic items. It's the most effective way to restore and protect your valuable plastics. You get 3 8-ounce bottles, number 1 plastic polish, number 2 fine scratch remover, and number 3 heavy scratch remover, plus a pack of polishing cloths. Everything you need for a perfect finish. It's a simple 3-step process. First, clean. Then, remove fine scratches. Finally, remove heavy scratches and polish for a brilliant shine. This kit helps remove scratches and abrasions, refreshing faded plastic and making it look brand new. Extend the life of your plastics and protect your valuable possessions. Ideal for cleaning and restoring plastic protective shields on many items. Keep your valuables safe and looking their best for longer. Always test it on a small, inconspicuous area first to ensure compatibility. The number 2 and number 3 solutions are not for coated plastics, UV protected surfaces, or eyeglasses. Using them on unsuitable surfaces will cause permanent damage. What we like. This kit offers a complete solution for cleaning and restoring plastic. It effectively removes various scratches and leaves your plastics looking brand new. If you're looking to restore and protect your valuable plastic items, this is the one for you. Number 3. Turtle Wax Scratch Repair. It easily removes light to medium scratches, swirl marks, and water spots. Watch your vehicle's paint dramatically improve. This product is formulated with protective resins. It provides an even appearance that blends with the surrounding paint and clear coat shine that won't wash away. No professional experience is necessary. It can be applied by hand with a microfiber or cotton towel, or with a machine polisher. It's safe to use on all paint colors. You'll see impressive results on both dark and light finishes. Remember, it's not for vinyl tops, wood, vinyl wraps, or matte flat paint. Always test it in an inconspicuous area first. With Turtle Wax Scratch Repair, you can easily restore your car, truck, or motorcycle's paint to its former glory. Get that showroom shine back. What we like. It's incredibly easy to use, no professional experience needed. It's safe for all paint colors, giving you impressive results. If you want to easily remove light to medium scratches from your vehicle's paint, this is a great option. What people say. After the first application with a microfiber cloth, I already saw a difference. After the fifth, I was majorly impressed. I was able to buff out the small surface scratches completely. The deeper ones, I got the yellow paint out and made noticeable improvements. This product will only remove the very slightest smudges scratches. It will however make any scratch or swirl mark look significantly better. As long as it's not down to the paint or completely through the clear coat. The product worked on specific scratches, i.e. horizontal scratches and paint transfer scratches. It did not work on vertical scratches, even after several attempts. Number 2. Screen Shine Go XL Screen Cleaner. Say hello to Screen Shine Go XL, the powerful yet gentle screen cleaner that's safe for all your devices. It's perfect for keeping your screen sparkling clean, without streaks or residue. It's formulated to be gentle on even the most delicate surfaces, including anti-glare and anti-reflective coatings. You can trust it on your laptops, phones, and more. Easily wipe away smudges, fingerprints, and dust. It leaves your screens with a crystal clear shine, every time. It's alcohol and ammonia-free, making it safe for everyday use. Keep your screen spotless without harsh chemicals. The sleek 3.4 fluid ounces bottle is perfect for travel. It fits easily in your bag and won't leak, so you can keep your screens clean wherever you go. Each bottle comes with a super soft, screen-safe microfiber cloth. Use it to gently wipe away dust and dirt without scratching your screens. What we like. This cleaner leaves your screen sparkling clean without streaks. It's gentle enough for all screens, and its portable size is perfect for on-the-go cleaning. If you need a safe and convenient way to clean all your screens, this is ideal for you. What people say. It removes dust, fingerprints, and any dirt that we get on our screens daily. It leaves no residue and doesn't scratch. This cleaner is nothing short of impressive in its ability to make screens look brand new. A little goes a long way, making a single bottle last quite a while. Whether it's a smartphone, laptop screen, or even eyeglasses, this cleaner tackles it all with ease, leaving almost no streaks in its wake. The product, itself, has been great for keeping my phone screen and computer screen clean. I even spray some on the cloth and lightly run it over the keyboard and the mouse. I also use this on my reading glasses and the TV screen, after it cools. Spray the cloth with the solution, don't spray directly onto surfaces. Number 1. by.RHO Scratch Be Gone Kit. Is your stainless steel showing its age? It's time to bring back its shine with Scratch Be Gone. This kit will remove scratches, rust, and discoloration, leaving your appliances looking like new. Before you begin, please check if your appliance is compatible. It's important to ensure your stainless steel is non-coated to achieve the best results with this product. Always test a small, inconspicuous area first using the included True Metal test strip. Remember to work in the direction of the grain for optimal results. As the original and only manufacturer-supported product, it's trusted to permanently remove blemishes from your stainless steel. It's the top choice of manufacturers and customers alike. It can remove scratches, rust, discoloration, heat scorch marks, and stains from your non-coated stainless steel appliances. It's the perfect solution for restoring the beauty of your kitchen. This product is designed for non-coated stainless steel only. It will not work on coated surfaces, mirror finishes, or blackened stainless steel. Always test your surface before use. What we like. It effectively removes scratches from stainless steel surfaces. It's designed for easy application and provides excellent results. If you have scratched stainless steel appliances and want to restore their shine, this kit is perfect for you. What people say. The instructions are very clear, follow them, and it works as advertised. Tested with the included test strip to confirm the metal wasn't coated. I started with a gray pad with a small amount of liquid, as instructed. After 6 to 7 passes in the same direction of the metal, the scratches diminished, but I needed to move to the coarser pad, brown, as instructed. After 7 to 8 light passes and a wipe with the red microfiber cloth included, the scratches were gone. This product is a miracle lifesaver. I ruined the sink with chemical solution and thought all was lost. Nothing else worked and I thought I would have to get sink replaced. Used this product and my sink looks brand new again. The kit uses standard 3M pads you can buy anywhere but have been cut to fit their proprietary holder. The holder is very nice and easy to use. They also give you foam-backed sandpaper that fits the holder as well. Then a tiny piece of sandpaper for deep gouges. Then a very small bottle of ultra-shine liquid that I believe contains gold or some other precious element based on their cost to refill it. The kit works overall. It will definitely remove scratches. If you follow the instructions and take your time, your results should be good. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.